It's good here. Look at that. We here. Sabi sa akin ng bata, vlogger oh. Sa akin. Vlogger oh, nakita niya lang. I wanna be. What? Hi guys, we are here now. Look at this space. Oh, it's hot now. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. So amazing. And look at that. Look at me. Amazing. And what I have here because I'm vlogger. For the vlogger. Yan. Ito muna tayo. Wait! Look at I'm amazing. And look at this. Look at that. Who is this? What? Look at that! Amazing with my mommy. This is my this is my mommy. Di ka alam. Hi guys. Hi guys. Ulit nga. Hi guys, what's sa panibagong vlog? And I'm Charlotte and this is Chloe Reyes. And I'm is the Pasig. Go back to the Pasig because I'm here. I'm an English girl. Uy. For the English girl. Oh, Mama. Ma. Look at the camera. Ay. This ka. Yes. Iniintay po namin si ate. Si ate Chloe. Iniintay po namin sila.
Sila kung saan na?
I don't know. Guys, nag-picnic po kami dito at mag-ano pa po kami. Di kami di na kami magpipiknik, di ba? Di ba, mamas? Yes, maganda po dito, di ba? Sabi niya yes. Hala, nakababa. Paano to? Ay, init na siya sobra.